Hi, Chris Needham from InCo Projects, here at the VR workshop along with Freeform, 3D Repo, and we are demonstrating our VR tools and current capabilities and development. Come and see us, come try it out, get immersed, and yeah, enjoy.
For a series of workshops, we got down into the level of detail. We're looking at service cranes and excavators. And we ended up then, I think that was 18 months ago, we started putting that into a headset. So we give that to a tower crane driver, and they start looking at blind spots and pickup points and access points. I'm blind on that corner when the demolition's happening. So again, it's one worth trying, but for them it's quick access. You can see it on the screen, but to experience it is another level. And yeah, we just build out from there. So we're building tool sets, and those tool sets are getting ever more complex. So logistics managers on projects can start marking up areas, can start creating objects. So you can grab a virtual library of plant, place it in place, and make decisions on the fly. And I think this is the point where you go in.
So until someone actually experiences it, feels the space for themselves, the person doing the work may have a different opinion, and they get that opportunity to express it. So space planning is really where we see a huge benefit, and that's what we're trying to develop here. With that, we have a skills shortage in construction. We have guys, an aging generation going out of the industry, and new people coming through. And as James said, his son is already using VR, 7 years old. But these are the kind of tools that the young generation are going to be expecting when they come into the industry. But there is a benefit of getting existing people in there to transfer that knowledge quicker to the younger generation coming through.
3D Repo is one way we like to put is the next generation of common data environment. We provide a platform where you can upload data through the whole project lifecycle, and it's model-centric, as the name suggests. And from the cloud, we can serve the data to different applications. Like, for example, you can view the data through the web browser. For collaboration, we have a nice, neat issue tracker, which we use mostly for design coordination. Or you can push the same data to our desktop application. Both of them are based on Unity engine, so we have nice and unified platform. Also, this is just a slide to touch on security, which is getting more and more big topic these days. We work with a number of partners on a security project. So what we do is also secure, because there are a lot of misconceptions that cloud is not really secure. We try our best to make it safe.
And you can see here some examples of our R&D work on VR. So what we do is we creatively develop unique features, and then we collaborate with companies like 3D Repo to create more implemented features like the 4D sequence. And I think that the most important thing for us is to explore the most of the potential of our very detailed BIM models, and to take all the data and to use it in a different way. And a good example for it is the 4D sequence feature.
The workflow was, Bryden Wood developed their models in a BIM authoring tool, and they for each object they put a custom property, sequencing number basically. And this custom 4D property was then exported to IFC, which we support IFC and we play by the rules there. So that 4D property was exported as a property set. Then uploaded to our cloud, where we crunch the model, and then from the cloud we can push the application either to web browser, where you can go through the sequences, which is functionality currently being developed and will be there by Christmas, or you can push the same content to our desktop application. And this is a video from just a sample project. We can't show you the real data we developed with Bryden Wood because of the confidentiality. But this is how it works, so I'm pleased visit us in our VR workshop. You can see this, the same thing in real VR. And what you can do is wander around the model, and you can go through the steps, through the sequence of steps of your build-up.